welcome to a day in my life as a travel agent. So I just wanted to quickly show you all the first hotel I visited when I began doing hotel site visits. This is the Notary Hotel Autograph Collection. It's located in Center City, Philadelphia, right across from City Hall and just down the street from Love Park. The Notary Hotel is a blend of historical architecture with a modern twist, and its beautifully restored building is listed on the National Register of Historical Places. The hotel features some very unique artwork, as you can see from the beginning of the video, and they keep 100 artists on staff at all times to curate its art pieces. It's located in the heart of the city and just walking distance from everything: shopping, restaurants, sightseeing, the city's financial hub. Transportation is readily available, as well as valet service. It's located next to everything. You can do just about everything in Center City. So there are 2 restaurants in the hotel: Pressed Coffee Bar, which you'll see here, and Sabrazo and Sorbo. It's like Spanish food, like tapas, that type of thing, sangria. The Notary Hotel has 499 rooms. That includes 83 suites and 88 accessible rooms. And the room rate started around $250 per night and up. Thanks for watching a day in my life as I tour the best luxury hotels in Philadelphia. And please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned because I have some personal news that I want to share with you guys. I'm really super excited about. And I just want to share with everybody. So stay tuned.